CrackBerry.com.
Hey everyone, DJ here for CrackBerry.com, and I've got a first look here at an app called Magic4Square. As the name suggests, it's an app that kind of goes with Foursquare. So if you're a Foursquare user, Foursquare lover, this app you're probably welcome with open arms. So we're going to take a first look at it. It's not out in BlackBerry World yet, but it will be out soon. So sneak peek here. Basically, it's an app that will auto check you in to some like pre kind of preset locations and venues. See, I've got 3 here. It's best suited obviously to the ones that you're going to frequent a lot. These are ones I go to almost every day to get, food, feed the house, all sorts of stuff. So let's go through the process of adding a location to automatically check into. Just tap the plus sign here at the bottom, and then select location up here, and it's going to lock on to your GPS. And map wise, you can do it by coordinates too if you really wanted to, but it will a map will come up, and then you can scroll to kind of the location. It's kind of a few steps to get this set up. So I'm just gonna think, because there is a store. Bear with me. Yeah, it's around here. Okay, so I know the store I go to is in that road, so if you kind of know where it is, you kind of navigate to that location, and then you're going to select the Foursquare venue. So it's going to populate some of the venues that you see there, and that's the one I'm looking for. And then it populates that step 3 automatically. This one is kind of, if you wanted to use the coordinates as well, just to help make it a little bit more accurate, so I just leave that one on. Your 4th step here, this is all about the automatic, when it will be triggered to automatically check you in. So length of stay before it starts the process of checking you in. The minimum here is 2 minutes up to 15 minutes, and by default 5 minutes is selected. Step 5 is, the radius. Obviously, I can check in. I'm standing in front of some locations and it still says I'm a few feet away, so you can also kind of help the accuracy here by choosing how far you are from the actual distance before it also starts to do that check-in process. So if you're within 180 feet of the location, this starts to trigger, and then as long as you're there for at least 2 minutes, then it will also check you in. Then you have a toggle of, obviously you can turn these on and off as well if you wanted to, but obviously the whole point is to auto check you in. So that's that. You leave it toggled on and go ahead and save, and that will add to your list. Now when you come to want to use it, Magic4Square has to be open. Of course, headless apps aren't quite running yet, so Magic4Square does have to be open. And I've actually had this app open, and I was holding it in my hand one time testing it out, and obviously these start to change, and once you're within whatever radius you selected, so mine was 820 feet, it will start to trigger, and then it needs to count down for 2 minutes, and it actually counts you down. If you minimize it, even the active frame says we'll check in a minute or so. So it kind of gives you information on that as well. Not necessarily something you'd be looking at if you're going to just leave it in the back of your mind and have it in your pocket and auto check in, but it's that information is kind of there. So it's kind of, if you're using your phone, you can't bother to check in and you're too busy to check in, it will do it all for you in the background. It's certainly a pretty cool app. I've been having fun using it, and we should see it in BlackBerry World really soon. That is Magic4Square. We'll of course let you know when it is officially available. Bye.